Once again, I am here with you. All of you completed your fair notes? Okay, children. Completed now? Today we are going to learn lesson 4th. What is the lesson 4th? Highest common factors and least common multiple. Highest common factors and least common multiple. In method 3rd. What is the method 3rd? By division method. By division method. Okay, children. This method can be used to find the SCF of bigger number. This method can be used to find the SCF of bigger numbers. Find the SCF of bigger number. In this method, the greatest number is divided by the smaller number. Then the divisor are divided in the remainder we get. Okay, children. By the remainder we get. This process continues till the remainder is 0. Okay, children. Okay, now you have to find out the GCD of 256 and 300. You have to first of all divide the bigger number 300 by 256 smaller number. You have to take first step 300 divide 300 by 256. 256 in will not come in 3 table. That's why 300. That's why only you have to do 256 was a 256. Now subtract 0 to 6 not going. Taking regrouping. Next digit to taking regrouping. Here also not going. You have to take day to regrouping and day to 10. Now here 10, here 9, here 2. 10 to 6 going time. What is the answer? 10 to 6 going time 4. Then 9 to 5 going time 4. Now here 0. What we will get? What is the remainder here? 44. Now you have to do 44 with 200 divide 256 by 44. Divide 256 by 44. Okay, children. Now, next 44 table. You have to check now here 25 there, here 44. Now, the divisor to dividend is here smaller. You have to take 3 digits. Now, 44 table. 44 2s are how much? 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Next to 44 3s are 4 3s are 12. We took carry 1 12 plus 1 13 132. Next to 44 4 are 4 4 are 66. Carry 1 4 4 are 60 70. Now 44 into 5 220. 220. Next 44 6 are 4 6 are 24 4 carry 2. 4 6 are 24. 24 5 6 264. But here they 256. That's why only now here take this number. 44 5s are 220. 220. You have to do subtraction. 6. 5 to 2 going time. What is the answer? 5 to 2 going time 3. Now 2 to 2 going time 0. You have to do next to 44. Divide 44. Take this divisor here. Now divide 44 by 36. Now 36 table in 44. 44 will come? Not. Now that's why only 36 ones are 36. Now you have to do subtraction. 14 to 6 going time. What is the answer? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 45, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer here? 8. 3 to 3 going time 0. 3 to 3 going time 0. You have to do 36. Divide 36 by 8. 8 table in 36 not coming. What is the answer? This 36 to less number, which number is there? 8 4s are 32. Now 6 to 2 going time. What is the answer? 4 0. You have to do 4 2s are 8. Now you have to do division. Division is now here stop the division. Now here stop the division. Y means here remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay, children. What is the ACF here? What is the ACF? Check it. Here, what is the, which one is last divisor in this problem? Which one is last divisor, children? 4. 4 is last divisor. 4 is last divisor. Now, what is this? HCF. HCF is the last divisor. What is that? 4. What is the last divisor? 4. 4 is the last divisor. Okay, children. One more time. I will teach one more time. First, you have to do bigger number by smaller. Now, check it. Divide 300 by 256. Now, we will get what? Divide the divisor. 256 by the remainder. What is the remainder? 44. Now, we will get 44 remainder. You have to do divide 256 by 44. Now, we will get 36. You have to divide 44 by 36. We will get 8 remainder. Next, we divide 36. Divide, we are having 36 by 8. We will get 4. 4 is a last HCF. Okay, children. What is the HCF? 4. Note this one. Okay, one more example. Find the GCD of 360, 240 and 420. Here 2 more numbers. Now, we are finding 2 more numbers. GCD. Okay, children. First find the GCD of any 2 numbers. First find the GCD of any 2 number. Now, I will take these 2. 360 and divide 360 by 240. You have to check. 240 2s are 2 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 480. But here what is the divisor? Dividend is there. 360 is there. That's why it's only 240 ones are 240. You have to do subtraction 0. 6 to 4 going time 2. Now 3 to 2 going time 1. Now we will get 120. What is the remainder? We will get 120. You have to do 120 divide 240 by 120. Check it. 120 table in 240. Which fact in coming? 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Exactly 2. 122s are 240. Now, what is the last divisor? What is the last GCD? 120. 120. In this question, 120 is the last divisor. 120 is the last divisor. You can do these divisor with divide 420 by 120. Now, divide 420 by 120. Okay. Now, find the HCF of 120 and 420. 120 and 420. You have to find out 420 divided by 120. Check it. 120 table in. You have to first of all find out 120 table. 2s are 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 120 3s are 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 360 keep. Next 120 4s are 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Now here came 3. Now 123s are 360. 360. Now you can write this one subtract this one 0 to 0 0. 2 to 6 not going. 12. 12 to 6 going time 6. Now here 0. You have to do 120 divide 120 by 60. 62s are 120. 20. 120. What is the ACF here? What is the ACF? Therefore, HCF of 360, 240 and 420 is 60. Okay, children. Note this one. Okay, children. Today homework. Find the HCF of 36, 54 and 72. You can do in division method. Okay, children. Thank you.